Hi, this is Stephanie Slocum, founder of EngineersRising.com. In this quick video, I will give you an overview of a featured keynote for professional engineering audiences of all ages and genders. This is called Engineering You. This talk is specifically for working engineers and has been well received by everyone from young professionals to experienced firm owners, both male and female. It has been given for multiple audiences across the country. Here, you can see an overview of this talk. First, we'll look at engineering employee retention. Why and how many men and women are leaving engineering? What would need to change in order for them to stay in the industry? Next, we talk about what engineers and managers can do to change this culture. Using 3 keys to career success. We look at how knowing yourself, your personality and values, and aligning those with your work environment increases your effectiveness at work. As both an introvert and a mom of 3 young children, I share my stories about balancing life outside of work with a fulfilling engineering career, and how I've stepped out of my comfort zone. We also discuss how to develop a growth mindset and why visualizing where you want to go in your career is required in order for long-term career fulfillment. We also discuss the importance of getting out of your comfort zone throughout your career to learn and grow, and that failure is a part of this process. We talk about how we can think differently about where we want to go in our careers. We discuss how we often broadly group possible career paths and interests into technical versus management, when in reality there are many diverse options available to us, as noted in the engineering competence pyramid. We learn that determining and using your unique strengths is required to maximize your career potential. We also discuss some of the barriers to career success and how to overcome them, including things like imposter syndrome and unconscious bias. I'll walk the audience through a quick exercise to prove that each of us, myself included, has bias, followed by what each of us can do to overcome it. We'll review case studies that show trends in how employers perceive different genders, including how competence and likability are correlated differently between genders, and what we can do about it. We'll also discuss various strategies for career success, such as surrounding yourself with a support network, reframing negative feedback to improve instead of taking it personally like I used to do, and how to ask for and receive more feedback. We also talk about how to find mentors. Common questions I'm asked about this talk is how long is it? This is a 60-minute presentation. Typically, we see 15 to 30 minutes needed additionally for questions and discussion from the audience. That means the total minimum time allowance is between 75 and 90 minutes. We also have numerous audience participation activities and worksheets that can be incorporated for a longer workshop-style talk, typically a minimum of 2 to 2.5 hours. Please ask for more information if this is the event type you are looking for. That wraps it up for a description of the Engineering You talk. I'm Stephanie Slocum, and I'm grateful you checked out this video. I look forward to entertaining and teaching your audience at your next event. Click on the button at the bottom of this page to contact me.